bracelet. No, on the other hand. It goes on the other hand. Bracelet. 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 And now you get a puppet.
Wait, how many bracelets is she wearing?
All these.
Why is she wearing all the bracelets?
One more. No.
Oh, you look very beautiful, Julia.
Got this. We're doing a good girl.
Wait, Johnny, why does Julia have to wear all the bracelets?
Because she looks nice. Here's your pocketbook.
Where is she going that she's getting all dolled up?
She has to go to a new party, right, Julia? And here's your jewelry bag.
Wow. She looks gorgeous in all her jewelry.
Julia.
Oh, she wants to take some of the bracelets off, Johnny.
No, Julia.
Why?
Put this on your hand. Julia, here's your jewelry bag. Can you hold it? Hold it. Hold it. Here. I have a choice. Here we go. Put this. We have this. I'm going to put your puppet in your pocketbook. Put your puppet in your pocketbook. Johnny? What?
Johnny, can Julia take some of the bracelets off?
Nope.
Why not?
Because then she can't come home and low.
But she looks so pretty in all those bracelets.
Julia, you're gonna put this in your necklace. There. What? So you're gonna put this in your jewelry bag. Okay. Now here's your jewelry bag. Here's your pocketbook.
And she's off to the party.